Sveiki. Trumpa pamokėlė, kaip naudoti frazes man patinka ir aš mėgstu. Hello everyone. This is a short explanation of how to use these two Lithuanian phrases. Man patinka and aš mėgstu. Kągi jos abi reiškia ir kaipgi jos skiriasi. So what do they mean and how do they differ? So both of them mean the same. You can use them synonymously. Man patinka, aš mėgstu. In English, both of them translate like I like. I like something. The difference is in grammar. The moment you say man patinka, pay attention to the pronoun. You change the pronouns into dative case. Aš, tu man, tu tau, and so on. Pavyzdžiui, for example, man patinka skaityti. I like to read. Tau patinka studijuoti. You like to study. Jiems patinka valgyti tortą. They like to eat the cake. The phrase patinka is followed either by a verb in the infinitive form to do something. Man patinka rašyti. Man patinka dainuoti. Or this word patinka is followed by a noun in nominative case. Pavyzdžiui, man patinka obuoliai. I like apples. Arba man patinka ši knyga. I like this book. Talking about another phrase, aš mėgstu, it's simpler in a way that we are using the pronouns in nominative. Aš, tu, jis, ji, mes, jūs, jie, jos. Okay? And we say aš mėgstu, tu mėgsti, jis, ji mėgsta. This verb, has different forms. Mes mėgstame, jūs mėgstate, jie, jos mėgsta. And this phrase is followed by accusative. Here you need to remember accusative case. Okay? Accusative case, that means we are referring to a direct object in a sentence. For example, aš mėgstu arbatą. That means I like the tea. Aš mėgstu šokoladą. I like chocolate. However, if you are using a verb in infinitive form, there is no change. You use it completely the same as in the phrase patinka. Man patinka eiti pasivaikščioti, or aš mėgstu eiti pasivaikščioti, meaning I like to go for a walk. Kas tau patinka? That is the question if you want to ask someone else. So what do you like? Once again, if you use the phrase patinka, the question is in nominative case. Kas? Kas tau patinka? What do you like? Or you ask, kas jums patinka? If you're using it in a more formal way. In case you would like to use the phrase mėgti, the question goes in accusative case as well. So we would ask, ką tu mėgsti? Or ką jūs mėgstate? Again, it translates exactly the same. What do you like? The answer is up to you. Please let me know, ką tu mėgsti? Or kas tau patinka? Iki greito, sėkmės. Ate.